Revolut Online Bank Honest Review, watch before using. In this video, we'll take an honest and direct look at Revolut, a popular online bank offering a variety of financial services. You can find the links to their product in the description below, so feel free to check them out after watching this review. Revolut is an all-in-one digital banking solution designed for anyone looking to manage their money conveniently and globally. It's perfect for frequent travelers, digital nomads, and those who want to keep their financials in one place without the traditional banking hassles. Some key features of Revolut include multi-currency accounts, instant currency exchanges at competitive rates, crypto trading, and access to financial insights that help users track their spending and save money. You can also send money abroad in over 30 currencies at real-time exchange rates, making it a solid option for people who need to send or receive money internationally. Additionally, Revolut offers a range of card options, from a free standard card to premium and metal cards, with added benefits like travel insurance and access to exclusive lounges. The app is easy to use and has a sleek interface, which makes managing your money feel seamless. On the downside, there are fees for certain transactions, such as cryptocurrency trading or ATM withdrawals beyond the free monthly limit, so be sure to keep an eye on those. The app's security features, including two-factor authentication and a freeze card function, also add an extra layer of protection for users. Overall, Revolut offers excellent value for digital banking, especially if you travel a lot or want more control over your spending. But if you're looking for a fully traditional banking experience, Revolut may not be for you. Make sure to review all the features and fees before signing up. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one. It helps promote the content and ensures that others can find useful information just like you did.